Hello my loves, how are you? Welcome to my channel. So today's video we are going to be doing a purse unboxing and review. This is from the brand Sinbono, and they recently reached out to me to see if I wanted to review one of their purses. And of course I went on their website to check them out, and for one, they have really cute purses. But two, I was really impressed with their brand story. So as I was looking at their site, I felt like all of their designs were really on trend, but they're at a much better price point than you can find them elsewhere. And also you just feel really good about buying it from them because they're cruelty-free. You know that no animals are being harmed in the process, and they're eco-friendly as well. I even read that their signature range of vegan bags is made from recycled plastic bottles and reclaimed fruit leathers. Like, that is mind-blowing. I don't even know how they do that, but that's amazing, and I'm totally 100% for it. So let's check out the bag itself. It comes in this box right here. When you open it up, it has this little duster bag that it comes with too, which is nice. And then look at this beauty right here. Oh my gosh. So I got the Evelyn shoulder bag in black. It has this beautiful pleated design, which I love. And I feel like I've seen this design on a lot of high fashion pieces recently. I really wish that you could feel this purse right now because it is so incredibly soft, like incredibly soft. And it is a very high-end like looking and feeling. It has the Sinbono label right here, and I love that it is on there, but it's very small and it's very minimalistic, so it's not like in your face. It has the gold hardware right here, and then it has a zipper closure. So let's just go ahead and open her up. Okay, so inside you get the shoulder strap, and then it is pretty spacey. You have this faux suede lining and a pretty large side pocket right here. So let me put the shoulder strap on. This just comes in like that, and then you just slide it right on. So here it is with the shoulder strap on. Cute. Let me show you how it would look. So I think this is adorable, and the shoulder strap is also adjustable, and obviously it's removable if you wanted to wear it more as a clutch. So let's see what this bag can hold, because it did look pretty roomy inside, but I just want to see if it can fit all of like my everyday basics, my everyday things that I need to carry around. So first I have my phone. I have the iPhone 12, but it does say on the site that it fits any iPhone or any cell phone in general, so you don't have to worry about that. Then I have my keys, which is a lot. It's big, so put that in there. Some hand sanitizer, sunglasses, mask, and we'll just throw my AirPods in there just because I like to have them with me at all times. All right, so all of that fit in there pretty well. Nice and roomy, but it's not too roomy. Like, you're just getting in your basics. This wouldn't be like your everyday bag where you're carrying like Band-Aids and all kinds of stuff that we carry that is probably completely unnecessary. That's not going to be this bag. This bag is going to be perfect for fitting your everyday like necessities, which I love. So zip it on up. She's absolutely adorable. Seriously though, seriously, so soft and so high-end feeling for a fraction of the price, and for the absolute like certainty of knowing that you're doing something good for animals and the environment. Come on now. And I'm getting some like date night, girls night out vibes with it. I think it would be perfect for that. So I highly recommend going and checking out the Sinbono site, especially if you like really stylish and minimalist designs. I think you would really like their pieces. I will leave all the information for their site down below, as well as the link to the bag that I got. And also they were so kind to give me a coupon code, and I will include that in the description box below in case you want to pick up one of their pieces and save more money on their already affordable accessories. So that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!